This topic discusses the power sharing model in Belgium. Belgium's neighbors are Netherlands, Germany, Luxembourg, and France. Let us review Belgium's ethnic composition. A majority 59% of the Belgians live in the Flemish region and speak Dutch. Another 40% live in the Wallonia region and speak French. The balance 1% speak German. However, in the capital, which is Brussels, a majority 80% speak French and the balance 20% speak Dutch. Let us review Belgium's ethnic differences. The two main communities in Belgium are the French-speaking and Dutch-speaking. The French community were relatively rich and powerful, while it took a while for the economic benefits to reach the Dutch community. This caused tensions between the two communities. Hence, a power-sharing model was decided to be the solution. Belgium's power-sharing model ensures that there is equal representation between the Dutch-speaking and French-speaking in the central government. This is despite the Dutch population being higher overall in the country. Then, some of the laws required that all the linguistic groups support it. In this way, they ensured that power does not remain with the majority community. Many powers were given to the state governments. This was yet another method to distribute power between the communities. In Brussels, even though the French were in majority, there was a separate government with equal representation of the two groups. Lastly, a community government was created to allow people to elect representatives belonging to one language. This community government had the power regarding cultural, educational and language-related issues. With this we end the topic on the power-sharing model of Belgium.